Hey guys, good morning. It's been a while and today is March 6 and nandito tayo ngayon sa BGC. So, hindi tayo pupunta somewhere, medyo malapit lang. Dito lang tayo sa Taguig. Lalakad tayo ngayon papunta sa Burgos Circle. Yung Burgos Circle, isa siyang park near dito sa may Mind Museum. And magandang tumambay dun kasi maraming mga dogs. Tatambay muna tayo dun. We're approaching Mind Museum now and we're crossing the street. Yung meron na ditong agad na cute dog. Ayan, so right after nitong Mind Museum, isang tawid lang tapos lakad konti. Yun na yung Burgos Park. Approaching Burgos Circle Park now. And makita nyo, meron dyang parang steel art na hugis na puno. Yan ay mismong park. Maganda tumambay dito kasi marami na naglalakad ng dogs dito. Kaya pwede ka mag-sightseeing ng dogs habang nag-chill dito sa park.
Close your eyes, get some rest. I'm by your side. Lay your head on my chest. I know you've had a really bad day, but I'm right here, it's gonna be okay. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out.
It's currently 9 AM already here. Sobrang init na kaya nag-alisan na rin yung mga nabuo ko ng dogs. Mapapansin mo. Grabe ang init lately dito sa Manila. Meron palang Jamba Juice dito. So later baka try kong mag-buy dyan ng refreshment dahil sobrang init ngayon. Solo mode na lang muna dito sa park.
I know it hurts, it wasn't fair. It's over now, so don't despair. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go
Pumasok
out.
tayo ngayon dito sa Jamba Juice. Malapit lang dun sa may Burgos Circle. And we just bought this pink dragon fruit refresher for 190 pesos. So I think this is a perfect way to refresh yourself after mong tumambay dun sa may Burgos Circle. Napakainit. 9 AM pa lang, wala lang mapagpwestuhan. So all benches doon, lahat nasisinagan na ng araw. Before, I used to hang out there up until 10 AM. Pero ngayon, 9 AM pa lang, hindi na siya kaya. Sobrang init na. Ayos. Alright, done na tayo guys dun sa Burgos Circle. And pabalik na tayo ngayon somewhere na medyo malilim. Sobrang init kasi. And tapos na rin tayo mag-chill a bit dun sa may Jamba Juice. So ngayon, tingnan natin kung na pwede natin ma-explore kasi mamaya pa ako aalis. So mga siguro before 2, around 1, balik na ako ng parking dahil meron tayong pupuntahang iba. And another thing guys, so if you're planning to go out ngayon, don't forget to put some sunscreen and sunblock. Napakainit talaga, sobra nakapaso. And kung makikita nyo yung sky dito, butas talaga siya, as in walang ka-cloud para ayan, so direkta natatama sa'yo yung sunlight. Ayun, kaya napakainit. Balik na tayo guys dito sa may lapit sa Central Square. Tambay muna tayo dito konti.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high.
And we're already here sa Central Square. Mamaya pa tayo makakapasok kasi 11 pa yung bukas na to. Then sa loob niyan, meron dyang Starbucks, meron ding Muji, and meron ding Marks & Spencer yung food. Pwedeng mag-chill a bit doon habang nagko-coffee ka. Sabi ko pala kanina, chill tayo dun sa Burgos Circle. Hindi pala siya chill at all. Napakainit. Bali pala guys, na vlog na rin pala natin yung kabuuang High Street. Kung saan tayo galing kanina, doon sa may Burgos Circle. Yung kabilang side naman, yung kabilang dulo is yung sa may Serendra, yung katabi ng Market. And then konting lakad na lang yun, papunta naman yun doon sa SM Ora. So kung gusto nyo makita kung ano yung mga available stores and shops and mga pwedeng kainan dito along High Street, BGC, yan, ilagay ko na lang yung link below sa description for your reference. Ngayon, pupunta tayo ng Muji. Let's try some coffee there kung anong hindi pa natin natatry. Sa third floor siya ngayon dito sa may Central. Ito siya.
Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
We just ordered this pizza toast and this tiramisu choco iced. This one is for 130 pesos and this one is for 125. Maaga lang muna tayong mag-snack ngayon kasi late lunch ako later. Hindi na ako mag-lunch later sa hotel. So try natin to. Actually try ko na tong tiramisu na coffee. Okay naman, kaya lang sobrang tamis last time kaya pinabukasan ko ngayon ng sugar. Nagko-contemplate ako kanina kung mag-order ulit ako ng coffee kasi nag-coffee na ako this morning breakfast together with wife sa Jollibee. Baka mag-palpitate na tayo ng di oras pero need to kill time kaya yung lasa niya for the price, I think worth it naman siya for 130. Gandahan din pala dito sa Muji, yung mga price ng mga drinks and yung mga pastries nila. Hindi doon kamahal. Sakto lang yung tamis ngayon compare dun sa nakaraan na sobrang tamis. Hindi mo na halos malasahan yung pagka tiramisu flavor niya. Pero ngayon, sakto lang yung tamis na. Kaya lasang-lasa yung pagka tiramisu. Just perfect. Siguro yung toast, I would rate it 9 over 10. And itong coffee, 11 over 10. Sarap. Must try. Ito palang Muji dito sa third floor siya ng Central Square na mall. Katapat siya ng Shangri-La. Ayan. Yung may kita nyo meron itong Gentle Monster at saka merong Arabica. So dito yun sa High Street, 5th Ave. Gandang tumambay din dito kasi malamig, may view. At saka hindi ganun karaming tao compared din sa other coffee shop na jump pack na napakaingay. By the way guys, just to share, we're using the DJI Mic Mini right now. So, yung audio na narinig nyo ngayon, dito siya galing. And sobrang liit niya compared dito sa Mic 2. And nakita naman kung gano'n yung size difference niya. So, yung mga pros nito, I think, kapag nakasuot siya, hindi siya ganun ka-overwhelming. So, hindi masyadong halata. So, mas okay siya for low-key vlogging. Kagaya ko na ayaw masyadong napapansin na nag-vlog. Kasi, maliit lang siya. So, para siyang part lang mismo nung damit mo. And, kapag kinabit mo siya, since hindi siya ganun kabigat, hindi lumalaylay compared to this one. This is quite heavy. Tinanggal natin for size comparison. There. Ang hindi ko lang nagustuhan dito, kasi kung kumpara natin siya dito sa DJI mic, kapag nag-change ka ng setting or ng mode like sa Bluetooth to personal na recording niya mismo, nagba-vibrate. So, kung nakakabit siya and nag-change ka ng mode, nagba-vibrate, alam mo na nag-on ka, nag-off ka, nag-change ka ng mode. Wherein dito, mahirap tignan. So, kailangan ko pang sipatin o pilitin tignan kung naka-on na ba siya, and kung connected na ba siya, kung naka-bluetooth siya, mga ganun bagay. So, pareha silang may pros and cons. And kung sa audio quality rin yung check natin, mas okay pa rin itong mic 2. And compared sa price, mas mahal pa rin yung mic 2. So, double ng price ng mic mini itong mic 2. So, ganito lang siya. Very discreet lang siyang nakasabit dyan. Hindi masyadong halata. It comes with a cute pouch na ganito. Kasama na siya dun. So, I purchased yung isa lang. Meron yung dalawahan, pero I purchased yung isa lang. Which is 4,000. And ito cost 8,000 plus if I'm not mistaken. Pero hindi ko to binili separately. So, kasama siya ng mismong creator combo no packet 3 natin. And I'm currently using the Action 5 Pro ng DJI habang tinitake itong video na to. Dito tayo ngayon sa 2 parking. Dito tayo nakapark. Yan, buti pa dito may shed kaya hindi ganun kana. So, ito lang muna ako mag-aantay hanggang magbuwan before ako magpunta dun sa We're already here at Hotel 101 The Fort. And ang room natin ay 1912. So, nasa 19th floor tayo. Alright, so let's have a quick room tour. So, pagpasok natin dito, andito na agad yung closet. Tapos, provided na nila itong bathrobe. At saka, meron ding sleeper sa baba. Then, sa kabilang side naman, yung mismong closet with showers. Then next, we have a sink right here. So, ito yung electric kettle natin. And then, merong complimentary water and coffee. And katabi niyan, ang microwave oven. Then, sa may bandang baba, meron tayong working mini ref right there kung gusto mo palamig ng mga beverage. And then, meron tayo ditong safe. And sa other side naman nito, ito na yung bathroom. What I like about here is malinis siya, although medyo dim kasi pin light lang yung available dito. So medyo madilim dito mismo sa may shower area. But nonetheless, everything's clean. So ayos na ayos talaga. Then we have a huge mirror right here. And then the lavatory right here. Meron siyang working blower. Meron na kasi kaming mga napuntahan na ng hotel na may blower pero hindi naman siya gumagana. So we have 2 beds right here. We have the double and yung single. And malinis siya sobra. Even yung sahig, malinis. Then we have a huge television right here with cable. Tapos meron tayo ditong desk with chair if ever na need yung mag-aral o kaya mag-work for your laptops. Here. And then, the view here sa 19th floor is yung SM Aura and the rest of the BGC skyscapers. Yung pag-book pala natin dito is via trip.com application and this room cost 3,335 but we were able to get some discounts kaya after discount yung price na lang niya is 1,900 something, so not bad siya considering the location which is BGC. And doon sa mismong application, meron doon special request like kung gusto mo sa mababa lang siya or low rise o kaya sa mataas. And ang in-specify ko doon is a good view. So ngayon dito tayo nilocate sa 19th floor facing dito sa mismong SM Aura and the rest of the BGC area. Kaya nga lang, hindi siya guaranteed So if ever lang na merong available, nagkataon meron available right now, so yun yung nabigay sa atin. And na-discuss din siya during dun sa pag-check-in mo. Nothing much to do right now, just watching Phineas and Ferb. And just to kill boredom, I just ate piatos and we are going to make this coffee from UCC. And I'm going to heat some water. What I like most here in this Hotel 101 is the cleanliness. It is really clean. Even the kettle, even the sink, even this mug, it is clean.
A few moments later.
Ay, mali ako ng slippers. 7 o'clock na ngayon and pababa kami. Dito pala sa mismong Hotel 101, sa 3rd floor, meron tayo dyang swimming pool na may free access na once naka-check-in kayo dito. And free din also yung paggamit ng gym nila.
Sir, naikuha ko ng tawag po.
Isa lang.
Isa lang po.
Siya.
Thank you.
Dito indoor?
Yep, indoor lang siya. Thank you. Ayan, covered yung pool area nila dito. And sa bandang dito yung restaurant nila pero sarado ba or hindi lang kita dito right now. So let's check what we can see here. Ito, open na dito sa part na to. Pwede ka mag-chill siguro pag morning. Ayan. Okay, the night is young. And hindi ganun kainit. Ayun. Sa part na to, yung gym naman nila, yung nabanggit ko kanina. So, free access din yan. Once na naka-check-in kayo dito.
When all your friends have gone to sleep, it's Kiddo Keys in your back tonight. And time to wake everybody up. So turn your stereo louder. Paint your eyelids yellow green. Think it's time for the world to see that everyone is a superstar. Dancing with the air. And dance. Let the livers stare. Lock it up and dance. Keep on dancing with me, and your breath is over. Together we're free. You just gotta believe. Let the whole world see. Music's all that we need, and know that we will be alright. Walking through the dawn to the harbor. Sky's looking like it's about to fall. It doesn't bother us at all. We know that life is a miracle. You could go searching for a home, but you know it's here that we belong. Rainbow face on rainy days, we're renegades for life. Dancing with the air. And dance. Let the livers stare. Lock it up and dance. Keep on dancing with me, and your breath is over. Together we're free. You just gotta believe. Let the whole world see. Music's all that we need, and know that we will be alright. Besties on a jet ski, making memories for life. We are besties. Take a selfie. Save this moment.
We are on our way home and dito na natin din tatapusin ang vlog. Salamat sa pagsama sa ating mini lakwatsa. And we really need to go home now dahil waiting na sa amin ang aming mga fur babies. So until next time, so if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye!